Hi, you here to talk to me?
Yeah, well, I think so. You heard me complain?
Not so much a complaint, but I want to find out. I mean, I will never be able to pronounce that.
Bookman.
Fuchtman. Okay. Are you a sergeant?
Yes.
Okay. How familiar are you with criminal trespass from public property?
Quite familiar. I'm guessing this is about the post office yesterday?
All right. You know the case.
Yeah.
All right. We're off to a good start.
Here's my card.
All right.
Just say Larry, it's easier.
Okay, I appreciate that. All right, well, you know the case, you know what I was doing there. So the only thing is, are you aware that that's an unlawful trespass and you're gonna squash it? So do we have to litigate?
I know that you were there, and I know that the sergeant was there has talked to you, and I know that my lieutenant has talked to you, and I know that my command staff has supported all the decisions that were made.
Mm-hmm.
So because people above me have made decisions, I'm not sure what you want from me.
I didn't ask for you. I asked for the highest ranking person. So evidently the
On patrol, yeah.
The assistant chief is
You would have to call to make it, if you wanted, so yesterday you spoke to a lieutenant, the next rank up would be commander.
Mm-hmm.
You would make an appointment at that point. For patrol things, you get.
Look, this is the last time. I've driven down here twice now. This is the last time. The moment, if I walk out that door, the next time I see any of your officers, or the next time we deal with this is gonna be in court and in depositions.
Okay.
So I would appreciate it if the assistant chief doesn't big time me and takes a little bit of time to come down here. If you're
Big time?
yeah, like
I don't know what that means.
like he's too important to come and speak to a peon peasant like me.
I wouldn't call yourself that.
Well, that's how I'm being treated. I mean,
you're saying
number
that
one,
you were calling yourself that. You
understand, you guys are in the commission right now violating my rights. And you're
what am I doing right now to violate your rights? You walked in here to
I'm not
talk.
allowed to walk into the post office right now because you guys have trespassed me from there. That's a
As I said.
violation of my rights
Okay,
by your department.
okay.
What was I doing when I was there to get trespassed?
I wasn't on the call.
Well, you're familiar with it.
Yeah.
What did I do?
Again, we're gonna go back to, there was a sergeant on scene.
There was
Already
not.
spoke to the lieutenant.
There was not a sergeant on scene.
There was a sergeant on scene.
No, there wasn't.
Okay.
He refused to show up.
Why don't you do a FOIA request for the body worn camera, then you'll find out the truth.
I will be.
Okay. You spoke to Lieutenant
What was the
yesterday.
sergeant's name that was there?
Josh Backus. You requested to speak to a commander. They said, no, you have to make an appointment. Then you came down here
That's not
without
true.
making an appointment.
That's not true.
Okay.
They said no commander was here. Was the commander here last night?
I have no idea. I don't have their schedules.
Well, I'm getting conflicting stories.
That's because you have two different
Nobody
people.
told me.
How do you get two different stories?
You said that
Asked
they
two
said that I
different-
have to
asked
make
two
an
different-
appointment.
That's what I would have told you, so I assume that would be the same direction they gave you.
All right, let's try not to assume and let's just go by what actually occurred.
I can't do that because I wasn't there. You're asking me to, number one, go back.
I'm
on the
asking you to
decisions.
honor your oath. I'm asking you to honor your oath.
I do not have
and
the
look into
authority.
the situation and find out if that was a lawful trespass or not. And if you can't do that, then get this.
You have two options. Okay. I don't get people above my rank. I make requests, and I'm giving you the information in how that request is made. That request is made by you calling to make an appointment to have that meeting. That's the third time I've shared that now. I can write that out for you if that helps. You seem very confused.
So I have to call from here?
You can call.
I mean,
from
I'm
wherever you
here
want.
now.
Sure.
I'm here now.
Call. Yes. 480-9, it's on there.
She can call. What's the difference? Why are you guys just
Why
trying to
would
give me
you
a hard
have her
time?
call to make an appointment that you
I'm
want?
here now.
Yes, and you have a phone.
I'm
right
here
there.
now, and you guys are trying to push me out because
I
you
am
don't
not
want to
trying
deal
to push
with
you
it.
out. I never said you had to leave.
No. I have to call and make an appointment. I'm here now. Make an appointment. Like, what's so difficult
Yes,
about
you
that?
have a phone right there. Make an appointment. Why
I'm
would I
here.
do your work
I'm
for you?
here now.
Yes. Let's say you were at home and you called me, and then you said, make an appointment for me.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't you just call the person who makes the appointment rather than calling me who's in the building to make the appointment for you? Why would I do your work for you?
I don't understand what you're saying. Why you?
You're the one who wants the meeting. You call the appropriate person to make the appointment for the meeting. You're asking me to do that for you.
Why
How
wouldn't
would that be
Why
different?
wouldn't
You're sitting
Why
here in the
wouldn't you?
lobby. You sitting here in the lobby versus you being at home. How is that different? You could call me from home and make the same request, and my response would be the same.
How is it not?
You have the
important?
ability
Yeah.
to go through the proper protocol to make the appointment, but you choose.
Oh, this
not
isn't
to.
the proper protocol?
Correct.
Oh, I didn't know we're not allowed to walk in here and talk to you guys. I didn't know that.
You can talk to me.
I didn't know that.
When did I say you're not talking to me?
Well, you said there's a right
You
protocol.
said you want to talk to a commander.
Lower your voice. Let's try to de-escalate the situation.
Okay.
We don't need to yell.
Whisper. I'm being a smartass, but you
You
understand
are.
where I'm going with
You
this.
are.
Yes, but
We
it's
can
to make
hype
a
it up
point.
if you want.
But it's to make a point.
Yeah.
You keep going back to the same thing. Fourth time. If you want an appointment with a commander, you pick up your phone and dial. Yes, I'm being very exaggerative. So you can be on the phone to make the appointment that
You know, I
request.
have other options. Like another option is I can be in here from 8 to 5 every day of the week.
don't
I can
care.
stand out on the corner and protest to you guys and say
don't
fuck
care.
ASU police.
Yes.
I can do a lot of other things, so don't give me my options like those are my only options. I can also follow you guys around. I can be a real pest on ASU property and see how many places you guys want to trespass me from, and we can keep racking up lawsuits.
People who use their First Amendment rights aren't pests, they're good people. Do not say a person who invokes their First Amendment rights is a pest.
Oh.
That's an insult.
So
I've
you
given
agree
the
it was an
answer 4
unlawful
times.
trespass?
I've given you the port.
So if you
changed
care,
something.
if you care so much about
4
my
times.
rights, then why are you violating them?
How am I violating your rights?
Why was I have a right.
How am I?
Uh-huh.
You said I am violating your rights.
You
How
are.
am I?
Because you're refusing to do anything about it.
I'm refusing to do anything about it. I have no authority to. You
Yeah,
want
you do.
me to break the law.
It's not breaking. It's not
You're
breaking the law.
soliciting me to break the law.
How is it breaking the law? What law says that you're not required to look this up? You're saying there's a law that says that you can't look this up and verify that this was lawful and this was done correctly. Is that what you're telling me?
I don't have the authority to countermand somebody else's decision. So I'm going to say it for the 5th time, and then I'm going to walk away.
So if you
want an appointment with a higher authority, you should call the phone number on that business
get back to
card.
work, I'll sit here and wait
He
for.
can do whatever he wants.
You get back to work. I don't need you anymore.
Have a great day.
Yeah. Get to stepping. Who's going to take my public records request? Who's going to take my public records request?
That goes to the records department. She can get you up there.
Okay. Public records, please.
You want to just request, because I can give you a request form to request it. Well, they're going to make you fill one out up there too, so.
No, they'll take it verbally. They have to. It's the law.
I need an ID.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Well, then you won't be going to.
Yeah, I can file I don't need, then send them down here. I don't need to ID to get public records. That would be a violation of my 4th Amendment right.
To walk through this building, you do. It's a.
I'm not asking to walk through the building. I'm asking to file a public records request.
Get to the records department, you're going to walk through the building.
Then send them down here.
Hey, Monica, is piano or Stephanie? Okay, can I speak to Stephanie, please? Hi, Stephanie, it's Lisa. I have a gentleman in the lobby, request, who wants to request records. A supervisor from the records department will be down.
Appreciate that. If you could do me one more favor, please. If you could ring up the assistant, you said the assistant chief? You could ring him up again and let him, ask him to please come down and have a dialogue with me. This is the last time I'm gonna request before we're gonna have to litigate this in court.
Trespassing, you would have to follow the protocol that's on it, which is to make a phone call to make an appointment. 'Cause
I'm here
they're
now.
not gonna just send him.
I'm here now.
Well, they're not gonna just send him down.
Make the request, please.
I can, but, as that supervisor said, aren't you supposed to go through commander?
I'm not supposed to do anything. I'm here to speak to people that work for me. That assistant chief works for me. I don't work for him. I'm requesting to avoid a lawsuit, to walk you guys out of a lawsuit, and your officers being in a deposition. I'm kindly asking for him to give me 5 minutes of his time.
Hey, Jennifer. The sergeant and a lieutenant on a complaint about a trespassing and requesting to talk to AC, who's available. Told me there was a number on that form, to call.
Are you from the public records?
I am.
Okay. Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Hi, Stephanie. Hard to go here. So here's the case note
okay.
from yesterday. My eyesight's awful, so I can't read it very well. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you like 10 different things that are all
okay.
related to this.
Okay. So we need you to fill out a request form, like an email or a phone number on where to give it?
No,
Your name?
I'll give you my email address, but I'm not gonna give you my name.
Can I ask why?
Because I have the Fourth Amendment right that I don't have to, and I can fill these out anonymous.
Okay. Okay.
And two, it's not hard to figure out. Well, I don't know. My name's not attached to that. Maybe it's, I don't know. I want the 3 officers that were dispatched
Okay.
regarding this. I
Okay.
don't want to go too fast. Just let me know. when you're
Okay. Is
ready.
that a 7, 8?
Dear,
Okay.
my
I'll have
eyesight's
to-
awful.
I might have to check. Can't tell if it's a 2 or 7, 8. 2, 9. Do you know about when this happened so I can
So it was
double check?
yesterday at the Phoenix post office on Fillmore and Central, I want to say.
Downtown?
Downtown, yeah.
Yesterday. Okay. Approximate time, do you know?
3-ish.
Okay. She's on the phone.
Yeah.
Okay, so, what was your second question? You want to know the 3 officers that were dispatched?
Yeah, so I want there were 3 officers that were on scene. I want there's some confusion over the last sergeant. He says that there was a sergeant on scene, but I don't think that there was. Okay. I want first, last name, dates of employment.
Okay. Okay.
Salary. Copies of their last 2 pay stubs.
Okay.
I want the body cams of all 3 officers. Did I say rank, position
No.
rank? I could get each of their positions and rank.
Okay.
I want to know what, if any, training this department has done in regards to trespassing from public property and the elements required to trespass from public property.
Okay,
There's a Lieutenant Drain that I spoke to yesterday.
okay,
I want all the same information on those officers on Lieutenant Drain.
okay. You spoke to him on the phone?
No, I was here in the building.
Oh, you were here in the
Yeah.
building, okay.
Um,
Did you give him any of this request?
no.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay.
And he was confused too. He doesn't know, number one, he doesn't know how trespass laws work. He also doesn't know how public records request laws are either. And he effectively refused my PRR. And it was late in the day and I didn't feel like waiting. So
Okay.
I left.
Okay.
What else? Body cams. Oh, I want the call for service that the post office made.
Okay,
That was weird.
just flew out of it.
Yeah. So the phone call.
The CAD report.
The CAD report, yes. Not just the CAD report, but I want the actual. I want the CAD, but I also want the. I want the recording. I want the recording of the
Dispatch
call.
recording.
Yeah, dispatch recording, please. The sergeant that was just out here. What was that sergeant's name that was just out?
Fuchman?
Yeah, something like
Sergeant Fuchman?
Yeah, Fuchman. Yeah. I want all the same information on him as well. I asked for the other ones. I think that's it.
Okay. Are you able, because this is gonna take a while, I can't do it right now.
Oh no, I
Okay.
appreciate that. Yeah, you guys have. a
Do
little
you
bit of
have
time.
an email and a phone number
I'll
that you
give
can
I'll
share?
give you my email. Yeah.
Okay, email?
A as an apple, 2, 3, 4, D as in David, S as in Sam, @gmail.com.
Okay. And so A234ds@gmail.com.
Correct. Yep.
And then, do you want to leave a phone number?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
What's the time frame that you guys have to respond to the records request?
We do first in, first out, so depending on what the workload is right now.
Okay.
And the gentleman that handles a lot of the CAD, or the camera and the body cams, I'm not sure what his,
Okay.
we process it as
So
soon
there's
as we
not like
can.
a certain number of days that you guys have to at least respond. Like I know, like I think to get the actual materials, it's kind of open ended. The way that I
Yeah.
understand it, it's
Yeah.
sort of like there's no.
Yeah.
Is there no set
So we
date?
typically respond within 2 weeks.
Okay.
So we typically don't take
Okay.
a long time. Like Max will respond either way, but we respond.
Well, kudos to you if you're that much better than Phoenix because they're
Yeah, we're
like,
not behind like they are.
yeah,
Yeah,
8
they're-
years behind.
I know, it's like crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, no, we respond
Okay.
usually with 2 weeks max, so.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. One more
Yes.
thing. I want disciplinary records on everybody that I requested information from.
Okay.
I promise that's the last thing.
Okay,
All right.
okay, I think I have everything.
Okay. I
Real quick,
I appreciate
Anything
you.
else?
No, that's
Okay.
it. I appreciate your help.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is AC coming down? Any word? Hmm?
Talked to someone up there, so I'm waiting for an answer.
All right. Just please let me know if you hear anything.
Okay.
Either way. I need to add to my public records request. I need to add to my public records request.
Can I give you a sheet to fill out?
No, I need someone. You can write it down for me.
Okay.
You ready? I need the assistant chief. Name. Salary. Dates of employment. I want the hours that he works. Salary.
I have that already.
Did it? Okay. I want to request any and all communications, emails, text messages, memos, anything, any responsive records regarding my visit here today, yesterday, or my trespass at the post office. I want his calendar for today, every meeting, anything that's on his calendar, his appointments today. Let me think. I think that's it on him for now. And what is his name?
David Rader.
AC. How do you spell his last name?
Hold on a second. Ramer.
N?
Ramer.
Oh, M as in
M,
Mary?
yeah.
Okay.
Mary.
Okay. Who's the chief of police?
John Thompson.
And he is not in today, right?
I don't know. I haven't been upstairs, so I'm assuming. I did see the assistant chief earlier, but not up when I went up to drop the mail off. His door was open, meaning.
Oh, okay. Thompson might be here.
Huh?
So Thompson might be here. He's the chief.
Yeah, but I don't know that.
Let's put a call in. Let's find out if he is. All of the information that I requested on Raymer, I want the same information on the chief. Which lieutenants are here today?
We don't have any lieutenants on.
None are here today? Okay. Okay, let's try to put a call into Chief Thompson's office and see if he cares to have a dialogue. Please. Pretty please.
They're probably gonna tell me the same thing, that you have to call and make an appointment.
Yeah, but you see, I want them to do that. I'm not gonna assume. I want to fully document that they do not want to, that they have no time and no interest in taking care of this. I want that clearly documented. I'm giving you guys every opportunity to avoid litigation.
response, then you need to call and make an appointment.
Okay. Oh, can I get a business card with the direct number to this station?
See. I don't have one with just ours. I can give you our phone number.
Yeah, if you could, please. Let me write it down. Go ahead.
480-965-3456. 3456.
I'm dyslexic here, and I started to reverse the numbers. 480-965-3456. Okay. One more thing to add to my public records request. I want all the communication and the calls from this desk to every calls that you made on my behalf today to get people. And their responses. All right, I appreciate you.